Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use spot color in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open gallery. Now in gallery, open an image in which you want to use spot color, and after that click on edit icon. Now here click on this three dot more icon and then click on spot color. Now when you click on spot color, your picture will go into black and white mode. So what you have to do is to tap on anything you want to show in color. So now when I click on this object, so that's how you can use spot color. And if you want to erase color, then click on the second icon and from here select the color to erase, and then you can also use eraser to erase half color, and after that click on done. So that's how you can use spot color in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.